Hello again and welcome back to another quick look and teardown. In this video we will be looking at this universal charger with a built-in LCD display. It's a USB charger, as well as you can put the battery directly here and charge it. Here we have a American style plug, and it works on 110 volts to 240. If you can see, I'm not sure. It says here 800 milliamps, 50 plus 50, 1000 milliamp plus 50. That's the ampere. Let me show you how you charge your phone. For example, you have a mobile phone that you cannot charge from the USB. Like this one, and you just put the battery here, adjust these pins to touch the polarity plus and minus, and here we can see the LCD is on and show the battery is empty or low. Also the LCD is backlit. It's hard to see, there is a blue light. And to charge, just adjust this one, just insert it like so, and it will start charging. Now it shows that the battery is full. While it's charging, there will be animation like the battery is charging. Okay, now it shows, yeah, that's the animation. Now it shows it's charging. I don't know how accurate is that, but I don't think it's accurate. Also, you can use it to charge like a normal charger. You put the USB cable here, and charge normally like this, like so. Okay, so now let me switch the light off so you can see the backlight before we take it apart. Of course, the seller included a plug adapter, but I don't need it right now because this is universal. And by the way, it shows full battery if you don't have any battery, and it will show charging if there is a battery. Let me switch the light off, and that is the backlight, as you can see. Not bad. Okay, enough charging. Now let's take it apart and see what makes it tick, as they say. And by the way, this mechanism is very annoying because the battery always disconnects. So at least it needs something to hold it like this. Alright, we have one screw here. okay. So this is the board. Not much going on here. I think we need to take this off. So this is the back of this of the PCB. These are the main input. Here we have a wiggly wire, wiggly trace going to the transformer on other components. We have a chip here for the LCD, and this is the backlight. Let's see if we can access the chip and read the number, but I don't want to destroy it yet. Okay, the chip is Multic 853971, or this could be B, not 8, and the other number is MT3786. Not bad. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.